Think humans rule the Earth? Think again. The real rulers are small, six-legged, and outnumber us by billions to one. What if I told you there's an insect that can lift 50 times its own body weight? That a common ant colony can be bigger than a major city? That a particular butterfly drinks tears instead of nectar? That the most powerful machine on Earth is fueled by the sound of a cricket? And that insects are literally responsible for making sure we don't suffocate? These aren't science fiction horrors. These are certified facts about the tiny creatures that dominate our planet. Get ready to rethink everything you know about bugs. This is the truth behind the tiny terrors. After watching this video, you might feel like we're talking about science fiction movies, but trust me, every single one of these facts is real. Welcome back to Sacho Facts, the ultimate source for facts that flip your world upside down. We share the planet with an estimated 10 quintillion insects. That's a 1 followed by 19 zeros. They are everywhere, yet we rarely stop to appreciate their bizarre, stunning, and often terrifying realities. Today, we're zooming in on 5 insect facts so incredible they make Hollywood blockbusters look boring. But before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to hear things every day that'll blow your mind. Oh, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Number 1. Dung beetle, the strongest creature on Earth. We often measure strength by size, but in the insect world, that logic is completely flipped. The title of the world's strongest creature, relative to its body weight, belongs to the tiny dung beetle, specifically the Onthophagus taurus. This beetle can pull an object 1,141 times its own body weight. To put that in human terms, that's equivalent to a 150-pound person lifting 6 double-decker buses. But let's also talk about the rhinoceros beetle, another contender for this title. Males can lift an object 850 times their own weight using those impressive horns. They use this incredible strength not to fight predators, but primarily in mating rituals to push rival males off branches. Their power is a perfect example of nature optimizing pure, raw muscle for survival and reproduction. The complexity of their musculoskeletal structure, allowing for such leverage and force, is a marvel of biological engineering that scientists still study for robotics and biomechanics. Their strength isn't just a fun fact, it's a testament to the efficient design of the exoskeleton. But just imagine, if these creatures were even 1% bigger than they are now, that would be terrifying, wouldn't it? Number 2. The ants. The world's largest underground city is run by ants. You've heard of sprawling ant colonies, but the scale of the super colony of Linapithema humal, or the Argentine ant, defies all urban planning. Scientists discovered a massive colony network spanning over 3,700 miles along the Mediterranean coast of Europe, connecting an estimated billions of individual ants. This interconnected empire is arguably the largest animal structure in the world, far exceeding the size of any human city. What's truly bizarre is that ants from different nests within this super colony, which would normally fight each other, recognize each other as kin. They have a shared genetic profile and cooperate on a massive scale. This demonstrates a level of social organization and communication that is both astounding and a little terrifying. Imagine an interconnected society that stretches from Italy all the way to Spain, functioning as a single, massive organism with billions of residents working toward a unified goal. This super colony is not just large, it's a living, growing, logistical marvel. Did you ever think ants could build such a massive empire? And what's even crazier, that they actually behave so much like humans? Number 3. The butterfly. Most butterflies are known for their gentle sipping of nectar from flowers, but there are species that have a much more unusual and slightly unsettling diet. Enter the vampire moth and the cabbage butterfly. In parts of the Amazon, the Dryas iulia and others are known to land on the eyes of sleeping animals, including birds and reptiles, to drink their tears. This behavior is called lacryphagy. Why do they do this? Tears are a rich source of sodium and other salts, which are often scarce in their tropical environment. These minerals are vital for the butterfly's metabolism and essential for egg production. It's a bizarre and somewhat parasitic relationship. The butterfly gets its vital minerals, while the host gets a minor irritation. The sheer strangeness of an insect evolving to require the salty sadness of another creature is a perfect example of nature's relentless pursuit of necessary nutrients. Like I said, it's incredibly fascinating, and at the same time, a little bit sad. Before we continue our deep dive into the bizarre, I have a massive favor to ask you. If you appreciate the effort and research that goes into uncovering and verifying these facts, show us some love. Your support is what keeps our entire operation running. First, please take one quick second right now and tap that like button. It's the easiest way to tell YouTube you enjoy fascinating content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's continue. Number 4. Crickets chirp. The most efficient machine is fueled by a cricket's chirp. We measure power in horsepower or watts, but engineers are constantly looking for the most efficient energy converters. Believe it or not, the mechanism that converts energy from food to sound in a tiny field cricket is one of the most mechanically efficient devices in the known world. Crickets chirp by rubbing their wings together, a process called stridulation. The tiny muscles and tendons used to vibrate the wings produce sound with an incredible efficiency rating that is almost impossible to replicate in man-made machines. This efficiency stems from the insect's ability to minimize energy loss as heat or friction. Biologists and physicists study the cricket's sound-producing mechanism for insights into micro-robotics and efficient acoustic technology. The next time you hear a cricket chirping, realize you're listening to one of the planet's most finely tuned and powerful miniature engines, all thanks to its evolved biological structure. A simple chirp is a complex, energy-efficient marvel. Crazy, right? Fact 5. Termites and our atmosphere. Here's a massive planetary fact. Insects, particularly termites, play a crucial role in our global atmosphere. Termites, famous for eating wood, release vast amounts of methane gas as a byproduct of their digestion. While methane is a powerful greenhouse gas, the sheer number of termites on Earth means they contribute a significant percentage of the world's total methane emissions. But their environmental impact is far more complex. Insects are also vital decomposers, breaking down dead wood and organic matter, which releases necessary nutrients back into the soil and regulates the carbon cycle. Without insects doing this work, the buildup of organic material would fundamentally change the global ecosystem, impacting everything from soil health to oxygen production. While they contribute to methane, their overall role in decomposition is vital, reminding us that these tiny creatures are active, essential contributors to the air we breathe and the health of the entire planet. They are the planet's silent sanitation crew. Yeah, it's unbelievable that such a tiny creature can have such a huge impact on the future of humanity, right? So, this is it. The world of insects is a place of unbelievable strength, vast intelligence, bizarre consumption, silent efficiency, and planetary importance. We hope this video has given you a new appreciation, or at least a healthy fear, of the tiny things scurrying around your feet. Now, we want to hear from you which one of these facts was the most mind-blowing. Drop your answer in the comments below. If we successfully blew your mind today, please do us a final favor. Share this video with someone who thinks they know everything about nature. And if you haven't yet, subscribe so you never miss a chance to question your reality. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the microscopic world. Remember to keep your eyes open because the most incredible facts are often found in the smallest packages. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, Sacho Facts.